Since morning we are driving in the rain and zigzag way and climbing the hills. It's very upward, and in between, my Java has given me a very serious trouble, and I don't know how I'll go further because still we have to go very long ways, and there is no shop, nothing. It's completely empty. I don't know why. The fan of my Java stopped working in this midway and between this jungle. I don't know what to do. Hi viewers, it's very good morning, and as I told you that my bike had problem in my radiator, the fan was not moving. About 52 kilometers, I rode my bike with that poor condition. After riding 2 kilometers or 3 kilometers, I was giving interval and I was giving rest to my bike so that the engine doesn't become overheat. And fortunately, I met one person over here, Milan Pradhan. He is holding a garage over here, and so many accessories also you will find in Gangtok. And I brought my bike to his garage, and now my fan is going to be replaced. So hope it will be okay, and after that I'll go to Siliguri and I'll do all the formalities. I especially thank Rishida. He provided us a platform to put our problems. I posted in his Facebook page, and after that immediately the manager, not his manager, he communicated with me and he arranged a fan to send to Gangtok from Siliguri. So it's a very good service from Java. They helped me in this situation also. I thank to them once again, and at last I'll say Java is good to climb hills, except I faced this kind of problem, but it was unfortunate. Now we are at Java Service Center, Siliguri. They are nourishing my bike, and it will be fully okay after updating the software. And after that, we'll go back to our home place, Patsala. So, in this situation, they helped me out, and it was very crucial situation for me. And I thank them very, very much for this help. Java people likes to help you. They're always there to help you, whatever the situation is, wherever the place is. So, I was always giving 5-star to Java, and today again I'm giving 5-star to Java.